Ayan, so here is our sample problem number 2. So, yung pagkuha pa rin ng area of closed traverse. So, dito naman using DMD method. So, this is the sample problem number 2 sa pagkuha ng area of closed traverse using DMD method or the double meridian distances. So, dito, the survey data that was received in a fieldwork is shown below. So, letter A, balance the given survey by using compass rule. And letter B, after balancing the survey, calculate the total area by using DMD method. So dito sa problem, pinapabalance na sa atin yung na survey na data. So meaning, yung latitude and departure natin is hindi siya equivalent sa 0. So kailangan kunin natin yung adjusted latitude and adjusted departure. So una, kunin muna natin yung latitude and departure. So using sige, calculator technique na lang tayo. Yung rect na lang tayo. And then yung length. And then, ito yung sa may bearing natin. And then, ano na lang tayo ng constant. So, ito yung A. And then, ito yung B. Ayan. Ayan. So, by the way, kahit na gumagamit tayo ng calculator technique, sana hindi natin kalimutan yung formula natin. So, yung sa latitude is yung L cosine theta, and then yung departure natin is yung L sine theta. Ayan, so saan ba galing ito? Yung cosine theta, bakit ganyan yung formula niya, yung cosine theta and then sine theta, yung departure. So, x and y coordinates. So, yan. Sadali. Ayan. And then, ito yung theta natin or the bearing. Ayan, so ito yung departure natin. So, this is the departure depth. And then, ito yung latitude natin. Ayan. So, tandaan natin yung SOHCAHTOA. Ito, SOHCAHTOA. Dito siya galing. So, ito kunin lang natin yung triangle. Ito. So, ito yung length natin. Yan yung length. Ito yung, yan. So, lagay lang natin. So, ito yung latitude. And then, ito yung departure natin. And then, ito yung length. Ito yung length natin. So, ito yung theta. So, i-bat in lang natin konti ito para sa mga hindi alam kung saan nanggaling ito. So, dito, ano lang natin. So, dito, ito yung opposite side. Opposite. And then, ito yung adjacent. And then, ito yung hypotenuse. Ayan. So, una, kunin muna natin itong latitude is equal to L cosine theta. So, dito, L, so, ito. So, cos. So, tingin tayo dito. So, cosine, ito. Pwede natin gamitin ito para makuha natin itong, di ba, adjacent, tapos hypotenuse. So, ito. K. Yan. So, yan, cosine theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Yan. So, yung adjacent is ito yung latitude natin. And then, yung hypotenuse natin, hypotenuse side, yan yung length natin. So, para makuha yung natin, yung latitude. So, L cosine theta is equal to latitude. So, doon galing yon. And then, next is for the departure naman. So, yung departure, ito. So, ito yung departure. So, opposite and then hypotenuse. So, magtingin tayo dito sa may SOHCAHTOA. So, opposite and hypotenuse. So, ito. So yung sine, opposite, and then hypotenuse. So, ganyan siya. So, sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Ayan. So, ano yung opposite natin? Diba ito yung departure? And then, yung hypotenuse, yun yung length natin. So, i-simplify natin. So, L sine theta is equal to departure. Yan. So, dyan galing yung itong formula natin na mga ito. Ayan. So, kahit na gumagamit tayo ng calculator technique para mas mapabilis yung pag-solve natin. So, wag natin kalimutan yung basic na niya, kung saan sa galing. Yung fundamentals niya. Ayan. So, burahin lang natin to. Ayan. So, proceed tayo for the pagkuha ng kuha ng ano natin, ng latitude and departure. Of course, yung gamitin natin is yung calculator techniques na lang para mas madali. Ayan, so latitude, so mode, line, and then shift, yung rec, and then mag-ano tayo ng variable, mag-set tayo ng variable. So yung for A, yun yung length, and yung B, for bearing. So alpha A, and then quid, and then alpha B. And then solve, calc, and then ilagay natin ito, 125.50, and then ilagay natin to 48 degrees, 30 minutes. Ayan. So equals, so dito ito is 83.159, and then for the departure, 93.994. And then next, solve ulit, lagay natin to 135.75, and then ito yung bearing niya 28 degrees 46 minutes. Ayan, so that is 118.997, and then for the departure, that is 65.329. and then next ito, so solve ulit, so 161.25, and then ito 58 degrees and then 16 seconds, so that is 84.812, and then 137.144. Ayan, ito due north, so i-copy lang natin ito 113, and then yung since due north siya, so walang departure, so that is 0, and then ilagay natin yung mga sign. So north positive, and then south negative. Ayan, positive din to. And then dito sa departure, east positive din, and west, that is negative. Ayan. So i-sum up natin kung magte-negative ba siya, mag-zero ba yung summation ng latitude natin. Ayan, so kung hindi, kailangan i-balance natin. So plus lang natin. So 83.159 minus 118.997 minus 84.8112 plus 113. So that is negative 765. And then sa departure, so 93.994 plus 65.329 and minus 137.144. So that is 22.179. Ayan, so pag hindi nag-zero yung latitude and departure natin, ayan, so ang big sabihin nun, obligado tayo na mag-balance ng mga na-survey natin. So dito, kapag yung summation ng latitude natin is negative, so meaning i-add natin yung silat natin, correction sa latitude. And dito sa may departure, so positive, yung correction sa departure is i-minus natin. So using compass rule, i-balance natin yung ito, survey natin. So next slide. So ilagay lang natin yung mga nakuha nating latitudes and departure. So dito, kunin natin yung correction sa latitudes and departure using compass rule. So dito, isulat lang natin yung formula natin for correction sa latitude and correction sa departure. So dito, this is summation ng latitude times yung length, and then summation ng length natin. And then for C depth, summation ng depth times length divided by summation ng length. So dito, yung summation ng latitude natin, this is, lagyan natin, negative 7.65. Ito yung mga summation natin. And then dito sa departure, this is 22.179. And then ilagay natin yung summation ng length natin. So this is 535.5 meter. Ayan. So yung summation ng latitude natin, ito yung summation ng latitude, summation ng depth. So negative, so yung gagawin natin dyan is add. And then dito, positive, so negative or minus natin. Yung C depth. Dito, yung latitude, so summation niya is negative, so mamaya yung silat natin is ipa-plus natin. And dito, so gawa na lang tayo ng equation natin. So dito na lang. For C lat is equal to, so summation ng latitude, so that is 7.65 times yung length, so ito A, and then summation ng mga length natin, so that is 535.5. And then, ang gagawin na lang natin is, ito pa, C dep, ilagay lang natin. So dito, this is 22.179 times yung A by 535.5. So para mas mabilis, gamit tayo ng calculator technique natin. So gawa tayo ng equation natin. So pagsamahin natin to, so input natin sa calculator. So this is the Caltech. Para mas mabilis. Times A divided by 535.5. So sa calculator natin, pagsamahin natin tong dalawang equation na natin. Para minsanan yung pag-solve. So using the colon. So saan makahanap yung colon? So punta lang kayo dun sa may x raised to negative 1. Ayan. So alpha, and then ipindot nyo to. And then 22.179 times A, para minsanan yung pag-solve natin. So this is 535.5. Ayan. So ito yung C lat natin, and ito yung C depth. Ayan. Ito yung C latitude, and ito yung C depth or correction sa departure. Ayan. So ilagay natin, so 7.65 times alpha A, and then 535.5, and then alpha, yon yung colon, 22.179 times, yan, so ginagamit yung colon for, ayan, multiple na equation, para minsanan na natin siyang ma-solve. Ayan, so 135.5, and then pindutin na lang natin, solve, and solve, and then input natin yung value ng A. So ito, itong length. So ito, 125.50 equals, ayan, so lalabas dyan. So 1 point, ulitan natin ang kulay. So for C lat, or correction sa latitude, that is 1.793. And then pindot nyo ulit, equals. So ilalabas naman niya yung C depth. So that is 5.198. Ayan. And then, next, so, ito, next natin, ito. Pindot natin 135.75 equals, ayan. So, that is 1.939. Then, equals ulit, that is 5.622. Ayan, and then next, ito, solve 161.25. So, yung latitude niya is, correction sa latitude, that is 2.30. per na lang. And then equals ulit. So this is 6.679. And then last natin, so solve, pindot natin to 113 equals. So that is 1.614. And then equals 4. This is 4.680. Ayan. So, yan. Nakuha na natin yung mga correction sa latitude and departure. Ayan. So, kunin naman natin yung adjusted latitude and adjusted departure. So, ilagay natin yung formula natin. So, burahin lang natin to. So, burahin na natin to. So, ilagay natin yung mga formula. And then, yung mga sagot natin is, ilagay na lang natin dito sa may table natin. Ayan, so dito, kunin natin yung mga adjusted latitude and adjusted depth. And then, mag-set na lang tayo ng variable. Ayan, so for dito, latitude, ito, let's say A na lang to. And then, yung C lat, this is letter B na lang. So, since, ito, i-plus natin yung, nakuha natin correction sa latitude, since yung summation ng latitude natin is negative, so plus B. And then, for adjusted departure naman, so adjusted departure, so let's say C na lang ito, yung variable niya, and then yung C depth, so this is D na lang. So this C, and then yung C depth, i-minus natin, minus D. So using colon, ayan, so pagsamahin na lang natin to. So A plus B, and then colon, and then C minus D. And then ipindot na lang natin tong mga to. Ayan. Basta tandaan nyo kung ano yung sinet nyo. So, A for latitude, and then B for C lat, and C for departure, and C depth for D. Ayan. So, ito yung equation natin. So, ito yung ilalagay natin sa calculator natin. So, yan. So, A, ilagay natin una. Yung value ng A, so 83.159. And then yung B, so 1.793. Ayan. And then, yung C is 93.994. And then, 5.198. And then, equals. Ayan. So, ilalabas na niya yung sagot. So, adjusted latitude yung una, A plus B. So, that is 84.952. And then, equal ulit, yung C minus D naman, so that is adjusted departure. So, that is 88.796. Ayan, so, ganon yung gagawin natin. So, solve ulit. Solve next ulit. So, negative 118.997. And then, yung B is 1.939. And then, yung C is 65.329. And then, yung D is 5.622. Ayan. Lalabas niya. So, dito una, adjusted latitude, this is negative 117.058 and then equals, so this is 59.707 and then equals ulit. So, magtatanong. So, ilagay natin to negative 84.8112 and then yung B is 2.304 and then yung value ng C is negative 137.144 and then yung value ng D is 6.679. So that is negative 82.508. And then next is negative 143.823. And then last, solve ulit. So 113 yung value ng A. And then value ng B is 1.614. And then value ng C is 0. And then, value ng D is 4.680. Ayan, equals. So, this is 114.614. And then, this is negative 4.68. Ayan, so, ayan, nakuha na natin yung adjusted latitude and adjusted departure. Ayan, so, pag hindi pa naman kayo sanay for this, yung gawin natin sa Caltech. So, pag hindi ba kayo sanay, so, do the convenient way, yung mano-mano. And then, of course, kapag may time limit, yung natin, yung mga quiz or exam. So, yan, kailangan natin ng magtulungan for the calculator. Ayan. So, ang panglaban nyo dito sa mga mahabang mga ganito is yung calculator techniques. And then, for adjusted length, ayan. So, adjusted length, so, mag-set ulit tayo ng variable. Ayan. So, for A ulit, so, plus B, and then squared. Squared na lang natin. And then ito gamitin natin. Alpha A plus alpha B. Ayan, squared na natin. Ayan, so solve. So ipindot natin itong mga nakuha natin. So ito, ipindot natin to. Ayan, so for A, so this, na to? So ilagay lang natin. Ito yung A and then ito yung B na. So I'll solve 84.952 and then 88.796. So that is 122. Or pwede rin yung colon dito. So shift colon ulit. Para hindi na tayo shift tan. And then alpha B and then alpha A. Ayan yung colon. Gamitin ulit natin yung colon. So, dito, this is for adjusted bearing na to. So, tangent, inverse, ayan. So, B, and then A. Ayan, para minsanan na. So, yan, ito yung ilalagay natin sa calculator natin. So, solve. So, 84.952. And then, for B, 88.796. So, equals. Ayan, this is, for adjusted length, so, this is 122.888 and then equals, so for tangent inverse, so that is for the bearing, so 46.267. So pindot nyo lang yung degree, so lalabas na dyan. So this is 46 degrees 16 minutes 2.66 seconds. Ayan, and then next na tayo for line WX. So pindot naman natin to, so 117.0 88.058 and then 59.707 equals, so yung length natin is 131.406 and then equals, so 27 degrees, 1 minute and 28.07 seconds. Ayan, pangatlo, pindot natin, solve. So, 82.508 and then 143.823 equals. So, this is 165.809 and then equals. So, this is 60 degrees, 9 minutes and 29.1 seconds. Ayan. For the last na ano natin, ito, 114.614 and then 4.68 and then equals. So this is 114.710 na lang. Ayan. And then equals. So this is 2 degrees and then 20 minutes and 17.67 seconds. Ayan. So, yung colon, ito, yan yung essence niya. So, yung dalawang equation natin pwedeng pagsamahin na. Ayan. So, dito ilagay lang natin yung direction natin. So, tingin tayo dito sa adjusted latitude and adjusted depth. So, dito sa adjusted latitude, this is north and south. And then, ito yung adjusted depth naman, east and then the west. So, ito positive and then ito negative. And then negative. Ayan. So, tingin tayo dito, 84. So, that is positive, that is north. Ay, hindi mahalata yung ano. Yung yellow. Ay, ito. So, green na lang. So, lagay next. Ayan. So, nakuha na natin yung mga adjusted latitude, adjusted depth, length, and bearing natin. So, ayan. So, balance na yung na-survey natin. So, isang up lang natin. So, double check natin yung itong adjusted latitude and adjusted departure natin. So, kung mag-0 yan, balance na yung survey natin. So, 84.952 minus 117.058 minus 82.508 plus 114.614. So, yung summation natin dito is 0 and then summation ng dito naman. So, 88.796 plus 59.707 and minus 143.823 and then minus 4.68 equals. So, yung summation ng adjusted departure, 0. So, meaning, balance na yung na-survey natin. So, now we can proceed sa pinapahanap sa atin. So, next slide tayo. So, dito, after balancing the survey, calculate the total area by DMD method. So, DMD, yung kapartner niyan is departure. Ayan. So, and then yung double area, so pag DMD, so dito is adjusted. Ayan, adjusted departure na. So, DMD times adjusted latitude. Ayan. So, kunin lang natin yung mga adjusted departure and adjusted latitude natin. Kunin na natin yung DMD natin and then the double area natin. Ito. So, DMD, so gamit ulit tayo ng mode stat. Ayan, mode stat na lang tayo. So, yung X and Y. And then, yung X natin ito. For X. And then, yung double area, ito na lang yung sa Y natin. So, ipindot natin for dito, DMD. So, 2. And then, palitan natin ang kulay. So, let's say, ito, green na lang. DMD. So, ang kapartner ng DMD is adjusted depth. So, ito, 88 pala. 88.796. Ayan, copy lang natin. And then, ito, yan. So 88.796 equals, and then 88.796, and then plus, or mag times 2 na lang tayo, times 2, and then plus 59.707 equals, and then yung dyan is 237.299, and then next, ito naman, 237.299 plus 59.707, and then i-minus natin to, minus 143.823, and then equal, so that is 153.823 183. And then ito, next ulit. So, pang-apat, 153.183 minus 143.823, then minus 4.68, then equals. So, yung nakuha natin dito is 4.68. So, same dito, equal, and then opposite sign. So, meaning, yung nakuha nating DMD ay tama. And then, next tayo, for DA, double area, punta tayo dito sa may Y. And then, gamitin natin tong formula na to. So, DMD times adjusted latitude. So, una, so that is 88.796 times 84.952 equals, so, i-compute na lang natin muna lahat, and then, tsaka natin isulat. So, 237 point, so, this is 7,543.398, 398 na lang. And then, next is negative 277, 27,777.746, and equals negative 12,638.823. And then last is 536.694. Ay, 394. Ayan. So, summation ng DA natin is equal to, so, CA, and then ups, and then punta ito sa 4 sum, and then yung summation ng Y, ito yung summation, yung summation, ito, summation ng Y. So, punta tayo sa 4, and then equals. So, that is negative 32,336.778. Ayan. So, nakuha na natin yung, ayan, yung, ano natin, yung double area. So, kunin na natin yung area. So, area is equal to 1/2 ng absolute value ng DA. Ayan. So, kahit na negative, ito, so, kapag kinuha na natin yung area, so, magiging positive yon. So, 32,336.778. So, that is, so, mag-times na lang ito 0.5. So, that is 16,168.398. Ayan. 2.5 times 32, 336.778. Ayan. So, 16,168.398 meters squared. Ayan. Yan yung total area natin. So, using DMD. So, this is the last problem for area of closed traverse. So, yung next topic natin dito is omitted measurement. So, yan. I hope na marami kayong natutunan for this sample problem, and yung mga calculator techniques natin, ayan, so I hope na may natutunan kayo doon sa para yung time management natin is ma-minimize natin and makasagot tayo efficiently and effectively. Ayan, so thank you very much for listening.